Alright, so I'm back. I do apologize. I forgot to give you guys a summary of the tools that I used when I was replacing the transmission fluid and the demand drive fluid. So I've got the 10-inch extension here, a 6-inch extension there, and then the 8mm um, socket for the Allen drive type doodad. I also had to go out and get that funnel. You guys can remember I had to stop in the middle of changing the transmission fluid because I couldn't reach the funnel back in there good enough, so I went out and bought this tubing. It's a 1/2 inch outer inner diameter, and I hooked it to my funnel, and it did a fantastic job. Really, I didn't even have to get under the machine to get that fluid put in, just kind of poured it from the outside, basically right at the back of the rear left tire, and it did hold exactly 32 ounces. It started barely coming out, so I knew it was full. But those are the tools that you need. Change your demand drive and your transmission fluid on 2019 Polaris Sportsman Touring. In my case, EPS, but I'm sure it's almost the exact same for any Sportsman 570. I'll talk to you guys later on.